Namaste everyone. My name is Krina, a clinical dietitian from the Yoga Institute. Now, before we start, a quick question for all of you. How many of you tend to skip your breakfast or just take a cup of tea or coffee before you leave because mornings are rushed? And then by the afternoon, you wonder that why am I feeling so tired, hungry, and irritated, right? Now, here's the thing. It's not about what you eat in the breakfast, but it's also about how you combine it with. Now, in our earlier videos, we have already spoken about a lot of breakfast recipes. Now, today we are going to do something very different and interesting. Today, we are breaking down the concept of combining your grains, nuts, seeds, and milk in the right way, which brings you healing and supports your digestion. Because in yoga and Ayurveda, food is not just calories, it is prana, the life energy. And the wrong combination, even the healthier ones, can harm your body. So let's see the right way to combine your grains, nuts, seeds, and milk. Now, the first breakfast idea is a fruit smoothie. Sounds healthy, right? But pause before you blend. You have your fruit, your milk, you blend together and it's done, right? But here's what a lot of people don't know. According to Ayurveda, mixing your fruit with a regular animal-based milk is considered as a Viruddh Ahar, which means an incompatible food combination. Viruddh Ahar, the word means that two different things which have different properties in the way that they digest coming together becomes unhealthy for the body, even if they are healthy in its own terms. Now let's break down the entire smoothie. So we have the fruit, right? Fruit will have a very different way of digestion. Then when we mix the milk along with it, because milk is a little difficult and heavy to digest, the combination of two will confuse your digestive system, and then it will lead to bloating, lethargy, and a lot of toxins formation in the body. Now, does that mean that you have to let go of your smoothies altogether? Not necessary. Here you just have to make a small switch, and that switch is just switching your animal-based milk with a plant-based milk. So what you have to do is just take any of your favorite fruit like apple, banana, blueberries, any sort of other berries, or chiku and mango whenever in season, and then just add in with the plant-based milk like almond milk, coconut milk, soya milk, oats milk. And then if you need any sort of sweeteners into it, you can make use of natural sweeteners like dates or jaggery and blend everything together, and here you have a very nourishing and a healthy smoothie ready. So next time when you want to enjoy your fruit-based smoothie, just remember to switch from animal-based milk to a plant-based milk, and then you can enjoy your healthy smoothie. Now the second breakfast idea is a warm grain meal. Now, let's talk about the grains. A lot of people make this mistakes of mixing your grains with the fruit. As per Ayurveda, grains and fruit again have a different digestive power, and having them together can again harm your gut. Now here what you can do is mixing your grains with nuts is still fine. So as per Ayurveda, mixing your grain with healthy fats and nuts, it is acceptable. So here's a sattvic option that you can think of. Take any of your grains, for example, your oats, quinoa or ragi. You can cook them or make it into a porridge form. Just add a bit of plant-based milk into it and the healthy nuts. So you can take cashews, almonds, whatever your favorite nuts are. Just soak them well for 8 to 10 hours, make it into a paste and add it into your porridge. And here you have a very warm, grounding, stable on energy meal ready. These were the two recipes that you can think of on a busy Monday mornings. One with a plant-based smoothie and one with a grain and a nut bowl. Now before you take your breakfast, just pause, be in the present, take a deep breath and then take your food. Because a small moment of awareness will change how your body will receive the food. And remember, breakfast is not just about how you eat, but in the intention and in the way that you eat it. Namaste.